Hello everyone, we'll be taking the hairs like this in the front and cut it with the help of the scissor. Now we have to take a hairs on the sides also and then cut it like this. Take the comb and then measure the hair's length like this and then cut it accordingly as shown in the video. So run the scissors very carefully. For the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now after that you have to take a small section of the hairs on the sides also and then cut it like this little bit. So you can see how we are cutting it. Now take a straightener and then curl the hairs like this in the front. So you can see how we are curling it little bit and then spread it little bit like this and your hairs are done. Next you have to take the hairs on the sides like this. So take a small section of the hairs on the sides and cut it like this. You can see how we have cut the logs on the sides. Now you can cut it in the between like this. Now take the comb and put the hairs like this and help it with the help of a blow dryer. We have to fold the hairs upward. Now you have to curl the hairs with the help of the straightener like this. So give the curves carefully and your hairs are ready. Next, we have to take the hairs in the front and then with the help of the comb, take it like this and measure the length you want to keep and then run the scissor at that end and then remove the extra part of the hairs. So you can see how we have done it. Now, after that you have to take the hairs like this on the sides and then we have to take the equal measures on both the sides. Now take the comb and fix it like this and trim the hairs like this from the between. So after trimming it like this, we have to again take a straightener and then curl it like this or give it a curve so that it bends at the end like this and take the shape of the face. And look, your hairs are almost done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be again taking the hairs like this and then measure it and then cut it with the help of this scissors. So you can see we have put the comb and then take another one and put it like this. So we have interlocked the hairs. Now roll it like this. So for this step, you need two combs to fix the hairs and then cut the extra part with the help of the scissors. So you can see now open the folded hairs and you can see now we have to spread it and then cut it from the between. Follow the same step. Now take the comb and then straight the hairs like this and give the curls on the side. So you can see how we are doing it and your hairs are done. Next, we have to take the hairs in the front, take a scissor and then you have to put the hairs like this over the comb and then cut it like this as shown in the video. So you can see, tilt it little bit and then give the slanting look and cut it. And then keep slightly folding it down and tilt it like this again on the other side. So you can see, now follow the same step for the other side of the hairs or just divide the hairs into 3 sections and then you have to perform the same steps. You can see how we are going it down and then tilt the comb little bit and then we have to follow the same step for the other sides. Now from this side we have to again tilt the comb and then cut it slightly like this. Keep folding it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.